And here we go for our game number 1. Deomano. Ayan, copy ka na agad. Hinay po na buwan. Tumakin ngayon na may tangan. Bounce pa sa kay Joaquin, left hand. Basket. Just a shoot. Bounces para kay Quinto, puts it up, 2 points. Nagtap. Ryan, kikat para kay Reynolds. Tumigado na dress. Walang anak, ulit nagtabigan. Hinay, 2 points. Buena for the board. Here comes Delgado. Delgado picks. Binalik kay Buena. Tumigado na dress. Buena, 3 points. Cordova sa baseline, 2 points. Pinasa kay Renz. Doon pa sa Joaquin. Hinay ngayon sa ilalim. Push it up, 2 points. Anarna ngayon ang may tangan. Here comes Delgado for the board. Anarna. Tumigado ng dress. Anarna, 3 points. Quinto Barbawe. Higit lang, 3 points. Ryan ngayon, outlet pass para kay Renz. Renz ngayon, mamamahin ng depensa. Open ang under. Yes, sir. Buena, drop pass kay Cordova. Pagkahirang connection yun. Hindi ngayon ang tabigan ng bola. Ito na si Cordova. Cordova ngayon, 2 points.
Bansa sa tao, isa pa mga sila.
2 points, Quinto.
Ano mo doon kayo? Actually, ano pa naman yan?
Velas Llagas, 3 points. Calibo ngayon, Buena, 2 points. Pressure ng titimon. Deomano, post spin sa head. Goes to goals, adjust a foul. And a basket. Quinto ngayon, drop pass para kay Guevara na wala ngayon ng bola. Guevara na ng recovery. Here comes Quinto, Guevara again. Timeout. Go, Clinic. Superingo, tukitid lang. Here comes KDL, drop pass kay Guevara. Yes, sir. Buena ngayon, binal kay Cordova. Buena, puts it up and basket. Calibo ngayon, drop pass para kay Delgado. Malakas na pasa yan, ngunit Delgado sa baseline. Drop pass para kay Buena, underneath, 2 points. Calibo for the board. 30 seconds. Cordova for the triple. 3 points. Tumakingay na may tangan, kitag para kay Guevara, 2 points. Tumakito Guevara. Here comes Miller for the board, drop pa sa ilalim, Quinto, correct. Ang bilis na transition dito ng KDL. 10-point lead, KDL, ang mga nag-window sa mission. Tabi na ngayon ng bola, Miller for the board, Ryan Kapitan. Cordova ngayon, Calibo, puts it up, and that's all it's 8 points. Pinasa kay Guevara. Guevara outlet pass sa Tumakito, maging sa baseline, 6-side, puts it up. Hinay, 2 points. Puts it up, no! Hinay to Quinto. Here comes Reynolds on the board, drop pass kay Guevara, and Ingo. Flies for the left round and scores. Cordova on the baseline, using the gas, 2 points. Tumakin to Guevara, 2 points. Tumakin ni Cordova. Calibo for the board. Calibo running shot, 2 points. Boys ngayon na may tangan. Bukan Sigo. Kailan fakes. Ryan to Quinto. Quinto for the triple. Quinto, 3 points. Kalibo stop, puts it up, in and out, AJ for the board. Nawala ngayon ng bola, ngunit kapitan, Kalibo, 2 points yan. Quito with the separation. Boys ngayon, tumigana ng 3, Quito, 3 points. Kalibo with the hoping, nagamit ng mga susumpungan, kapaling face away, using the glass, 2 points yan. Guevara ngayon, Hinay ngayon, back to Kenneth, Kenneth for the board, 10 seconds to shoot. Ryan in front of power, and a basket. Kalibo to Delgado, kick out, and draws a foul, and a basket. Schwimmer, no good. Dayumano ngayon. Kung may pala na itawag, para kay number 10. Simon. Ano bounce pala? Guevara, yes sir! Guevara, Quinto Dominada, Quinto, 3 points! Cordoba babawi, Cordoba, 3 points! Nagkakasipatan ng dalawang sniper. Quinto, 3 points! Cordoba babawi kaya? Anarga with the separation. Nagkabigan ng bola, ngunit Quinto may tangan. Boys for the board. Here comes the Magin. Quinto wide open. Quinto! 3 points! Tatlong kapit na 3 points. Tutumakin. Here comes Singope. Singope turns around. Pick up kay Quinto for the point time. Get it out! Kalibo stop. Cordoba for the triple. Cordoba. 3 points. 45 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Inbo. Pampihira ngayon. Tumiklop sa ere. Parang molder. 25 seconds. Kalibo post spins ahead. No good again. Tapikan. Tumakin ngayon may tangan. Here comes Tumakin. Nakapas mo na 10-64. Teo Mara. 2 points. Honor niya ngayon ang aluso at kick-out kay Delgado. Delgado for the triple. Delgado, 3 points. 10 seconds. 5. Quinto from way outside. Quinto. 3 points. And that concludes our second quarter official score. 64-43. Buena to Cordoba, 2 points. Quinto ngayon ang Guevara, full-spin sa head, ngunit wala pa rin. Quinto for the secondary, and a basket. Guevara, Cordoba ngayon, 2 points. Cabana to Delgado, Delgado back to Cabana. Wala pa rin, ngunit Cabana for the secondary, 2 points. Guevara for the triple. Guevara, 3 points. Buena, trapas kay Delgado. Wala pa rin, nitapik ka niyo. Buena for the secondary. Baseline, 2 points. For Buena. Wide open. 10 seconds to shoot. Guevara for the second time. Guevara, 3 points. Buena babawin ulit. Buena ngayon. Baseline. Wala pa rin. Ngunit Cordoba, 2 points. Cordoba wala. Ngunit tayo man. Tinapik ang bola. Quinto ngayon may tangan. Quinto stops and go. Quinto. 3 points. Delgado with the separation. Quinto kay Cabana. Buena up and under. Buena, 2 points. Reds ngayon, inaaras si Cabana, natabigan ng bola, Cabana for the board. Cabana puts it up, 2 points. Ito Ito ngayon si Kalibo ang may tangan. Kalibo stop. Bounce kay Cordoba. Using the left hand. Tumakin. Deomano scores.
Kaya di ba 61 kami? 59 po, nagdodoble lang po yan.
3 points, Cordoba! Maling tawag na basahan. Delgado to Cordoba. 2 points. Here comes Kalibo. Cordoba wide open. Cordoba. 3 points. Cordoba to Delgado. Back to Cordoba from way downtown. Cordoba. 3 points. Makina ko ni Arana ng anumitangan. Delgado for the situation. Cordoba for the trigger. Picks for the triple. Cordoba. 3 points. And gasoline into single digit. Here comes Guevara all the way. Guevara goes to goal. Turns around. Deomano and finish the basket. 5. Kalibo, 2 points. And that begins our third quarter official score, 79-75. Simon Delgado for the triple. Delgado, 3 points. Try for Gabanan para sa kanilang unang kalamangan. At naitala na ang unang kalamangan dito ng Go Clinic kontra sa KDL. Cordoba ngayon! Kalibo ngayon! Here comes Gabana! 2-on-1 situation! Cordoba! 2 points! Tumakin for more! Tumakin on trouble! 2 points! Kung Kalibo! Kalibo pang to Delgado! To Gabanan! 2 points! Napakagandang ball movement na pinakikita ngayon ng Go Clinic. Renz ngayon. Renz for the side. No good. Ryan, Kilalan and scores. Ngayon ang may tangan. Delgado to Cordoba for the triple. Cordoba. 3 points. Kalibo ngayon with a separation. Kalibo kick on sa baseline. Delgado. Delgado! 3 points! And brings timeout for KDL! Nawala ngayon ang bola ng Delgado. Eto ngayon si Kalibo bago wala kapagin. Kalibo to Simon to Kalibo. 2 points. 9. Here comes Guevara. Guevara full spin sa head and scores. Wala pa rin. Tumakin for the board. Here comes KDL on the run. Quinto puts it up. 2 points. Timeout. Go Clinic. Here comes KDL on the run. Si Tumakin and scores.
Graduate kayo! Saturday!
Double foul for number 20, Gabanan, and number 13, Deomano. Gabanan, 5th personal foul, hold out. Deomano, 2nd personal foul.
Graduate!
Ayan yun, nag-arap na mas sa mga kapitan. Buena to Kalibo for the 45 and touchdown. So may tangan, kick out para kay Boyish. Boyish pays for the triple. Bang! Boyish! Hang up for the left round. Anar niya ngayon na may tangan ko. Ito ba maluwag na maluwag? May kasama pa ba? Wala pa rin, ngunit si Joaquin na may tangan. Quinto for the triple and just a foul! And a basket!
14.
Boys complete the 4-point play. Official score, 101-99. 2-point lead, Go Clinic. Delegado ngayon, seeking for somebody. Delegado Tumigada. Delegado! 3 points. Wala, Guevara for the board. Guevara full spins ahead. Guevara for the side and the basket. May kasama pang foul. Final quarter. 10 seconds to shoot. Guevara for the board. Guevara na tabigan. Guevara for the recover. Diomano brings the lead. Seeking for vengeance. Delgado for the board. Delgado nakalusot. Delgado for the side. No. Quinto na yung itaman. 30 seconds. Quinto full spin. Yeah! Timeout. Go Clinic. And brings 4-point lead for KDN. Seconds on the clock. Delgado na may tangan. Here comes Cordova for the triple. No! Amaya for the board. 15 seconds. Kalibo wala pa rin. Ngunit eto ngayon. Quinto. 10 seconds. Foul.
Clapping.
Marley Port Lapping for number 1. First strike, Quinto Connect. Last try para kay Quinto. 2 for 2. 6 seconds.
Yan pa pa.
And that concludes our regulation. Congratulations, KDL. Our best player of the game. Without any doubt.